Jimmy Swaggart, the well-known televangelist and gospel artist, is currently in critical condition after suffering a cardiac arrest at his home in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. According to reports, the alarming health incident occurred on Sunday morning, June 15th, and since then, Swaggart has been under close medical supervision in the intensive care unit. Family members and close associates have been actively providing updates on his condition through social media, specifically on his official Facebook page. A statement shared with followers indicates that there has been no change in his health status at this time. The family has expressed their deep appreciation for the outpouring of support, asking for continued prayers. They believe in the power of faith and hope for a miraculous recovery, while ultimately trusting in what they refer to as the Lord's perfect will. Just hours before his medical emergency, a Father's Day message had been shared on Swaggart's Facebook, celebrating the occasion and acknowledging the support of his followers. However, following the cardiac arrest, another post urgently requested prayers, stating, "He needs a miracle from heaven right now." This plea for divine intervention highlights the gravity of his situation. Donnie Swaggart, Jimmy's son, has been vocal about the family's response to this crisis. He recounted the frantic moments after his father's cardiac arrest when he and his son, Gabriel, rushed to their mother's house. Upon their arrival, they immediately began CPR and continued chest compressions until paramedics reached the scene. Donnie shared that the medical team was able to restore a heartbeat, a small but hopeful sign. He expressed a sense of urgency, noting that without a miracle, the situation may not improve. "We will not retreat. We will not quit. We will not give up," Donnie stated, emphasizing the family's determination to remain hopeful and faithful throughout this difficult time. The family has gathered to support Jimmy during his stay in the hospital, reflecting the close-knit nature of their bond, particularly in times of distress. Jimmy Swaggart's journey as a televangelist has been marked by significant successes, but it has also faced challenges, including a well-publicized scandal in 1988 that involved a confrontation with a sex worker. Despite this bump in the road, the Swaggart Ministries, which encompasses the Family Worship Center and the Sun Life Broadcasting Network, has seen a revival of support and growth, with many lives reportedly touched by Jimmy's ministry. A spokesperson for Swaggart Ministries, Megan Kelly, emphasized the impact of Jimmy's work over the years, noting that despite his recent health challenges, his influence has been profound. She acknowledged the decline in his health in recent years, suggesting that his condition necessitates a greater level of care and attention. Kelly also urged the public to respect the family's privacy during this trying time and to refrain from placing calls for information, instead encouraging them to rely on the official social media channels for updates. As news of Jimmy Swaggart's condition spreads, supporters and followers from around the world have begun to offer their prayers and words of encouragement. Many people, both familiar and unfamiliar with his ministry, are coming together in hope of a swift recovery and are reflecting on the positive moments and teachings that have defined Jimmy Swaggart's long career. The family appreciates the continued prayers and asks for a moment of reflection on the importance of community and faith in the face of adversity, hoping for a turnaround in what has become a challenging chapter of the Swaggart legacy.